Okay, so we're talking about ions and ion notation. So we know that ions are atoms that have lost or gained electrons. Okay, so atoms are neutral because they have the same number of protons as electrons, and protons are the same as the atomic number. But ions, for instance, have lost or gained electrons, and so they now have a charge. You cannot change the number of protons because protons always stay the same and they identify the element. So we'll start with lithium. Lithium is atomic number 3. And so a lithium atom has 3 protons and 3 electrons. Okay. But a lithium atom that is 1 plus has lost an electron. It has 1 more positive than it does negative. So that one still has 3 protons because protons don't change, but it now has 2 electrons. Okay. Now, lithium 2 minus has now gained 2 more electrons. So this atom or this ion has 3 protons and then the 3 electrons it had plus 2 more, so it has 5 electrons. So you need to look at the periodic table and find out what the atomic number is before you can determine the electrons. Okay, so let's do carbon. So carbon is atomic number 6. Okay, so if we look at carbon, we know that a regular atom of carbon has 6 protons and 6 electrons. Okay, but if I have a carbon 2 plus, I have a carbon ion that has lost 2 electrons. It has 2 more positives than it has negatives. Protons don't change, so this one has 6 protons, but it only has 4 electrons. If I look at carbon 1 minus, this one has 1 more electron, so it has 6 protons and 7 electrons. So you have to start with the atomic number to find out what the neutral state is, and then you can determine what the protons and electrons are. So this is for ion and ion notation.